if I tell you that every time you come into this classroom to take a test, you always have a number 2, then what do you think of? That's right, you think of pencils. And today we are going to answer some burning questions that you and your friends have probably wondered about from time to time. A little pencil trivia. What is that material inside of the pencil that actually does the writing? And how does it get there? How many pencils can we get from one large tree? And do you know how many coats of paint are on your pencils? I personally gleaned these little-known facts from the Americana Encyclopedia, from When Do Fish Sleep by David Feldman, and Making Pencils by Ruth Thompson. Now on to burning question number 1. What is the material inside the pencil that actually does the writing, and how does it get there? Well, we've all heard of lead pencil, but not a single one of us has ever used a lead pencil. That's because the material inside the pencil is actually a mixture of graphite, clay, and water that has been baked into rods. Now, how do those rods get inside the pencil? Pencil manufacturers purchase pre-cut slats of wood that are approximately 6 in width. Then each slat is grooved, and inside these grooves are dropped the rods of graphite. Then the second slat is put on top, they are glued together and left to dry overnight. After that, they are shaped. First, the top of the slat is shaped into either round or hexagonal shapes. Then the slat is turned over, and the bottom is shaped, and your shaping process is completed. Now that we know what's in the pencil that does the writing and how it gets there, let's go to burning question number 2. How many pencils can we get from one large tree? Now, the trees that are used are California cedar, which is related to the California redwood. Some of these cedars are 300 years old, 140 feet high, and 5 feet in diameter. Now, this is a big tree, and one of these large trees can yield over 150,000 pencils. 6 billion pencils a year are manufactured throughout the world in 40 different countries. Now, if we take 6 billion pencils divided by one large tree, we get 40,000 trees that are cut down every year to produce pencils for us, which we then proceed to sharpen into nubs. Now, 6 billion pencils is a whole lot of pencils. It's also a whole lot of paint, which brings us to burning question number 3. How many coats of paint go on our pencils? Well, our least expensive pencils have up to 4 coats of paint on them. Our most expensive pencils have 14 coats of paint on them. And what is our favorite color? According to Bill McMillan, the Executive Vice President of the Pencil Makers Association, 75% of the total sales in the United States are accounted for by the sales of yellow pencils. Now, today we have talked about what is inside the pencil and how it gets there. We've talked about